Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm back. I'm hopeful to say I'm back. Um, this, I have to be honest, is a layout that I did a long time ago, but I've never posted it. There's actually 7 videos that I had filmed and I never posted them. So what I thought was, to kind of kick off coming back is I'm going to post those 7 layouts and do the voiceover for them. Now, this one here, I have to say, it's very simple. It was a quick layout. I left the real time on. So it took me 8 minutes and 17 seconds to get this layout done. Again, it's really simple. So that's pretty good. That was a quick layout, and I again thought I would just leave real time on so that I would have a little bit of time, to chat and to kind of let you know what my plans are for my channel and to let you know that I also started a brand new channel. So when this goes up, it'll be live. It's called Nicole Jones 911 Colors. So if you could do me the favor are going to check it out and subscribe. So what that means is that the coloring videos won't be on this channel anymore. It'll be on the new channel, and I'll also link the new channel in the description box below. I think I've already filmed 4 or 5 videos for it, but I think I'm gonna, just release them one day at a time. So let's just quickly talk about what I did with the layout, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you what my plans are for my existing channel and then what my plans are for my new channel. So this again was a quick layout because it had stickers and I really leaned into the stickers, but also it kind of had pattern papers that went together. It was one of those, I think, pre-made kits, that had the stickers and the papers all together. So I cut 2 pieces of the lined paper, the colorful lined paper, and I cut it kind of at an angle, and I put one at the top and one at the bottom of the layout, kind of making it thinner on one side compared to the other and kind of offsetting it at the top and the bottom, so it kind of gives you that fun look. Then I cut a bigger strip of paper, and it looks like it could be like maybe, I don't know, 6.5 by probably 11. And then I'm cutting some mats inside, probably 4 by 6, and then 2 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And I think the other, like where the pattern paper is showing, I can't remember if I just put stickers there, but I could definitely put a piece of journaling paper there and do my journaling there. And then I just kind of glue everything down, put a few stickers, and I call this layout good. Now let's talk about what I plan to do with this channel. So I don't know how fully back I am going to be. I have 6 layouts that I am going to release once a week. So I know for the next 6 weeks I'm okay. I'm hoping that I can go to a crop soon, maybe, and maybe I can get a bunch of layouts done so that I can have some ready. But the next thing that I'm going to do is, do you remember like that big, long, organize with me that I did a year and a half ago? And my scrap room stayed really clean for probably over a year. It's still not bad. Like it's really only the desk, but it needs a reset. And I thought, what a perfect time. I need to kind of reset my channel, reset my life, reset my scrapbook room. So that'll be the next video that's going to be up on the channel, will be me kind of resetting my craft room and kind of cleaning up. I plan on doing that this weekend. Today is Thursday. January 8th. So I plan on doing that either Saturday or Sunday. So the video will probably be up on Monday. And it's one of those, that I speed up so then I can talk a little bit more about, the plans for the year. But just know that I am planning on coming back, and this channel will be focusing on scrapbooking and organizing. Maybe I'll bring back the diamond painting because I had quite a few people that enjoyed that. But this is going to be mainly those. And then I wanted one that was dedicated to coloring because I have to tell you, coloring coloring saved my life like scrapbooking saved my life 26 years ago, because I was deep, the baby blues, but it was like it lasted way longer than baby blues. So it was definitely like depression, and scrapbooking took me out of that. And this time around, scrapbooking wasn't doing it for me. And I think it's because it's a job, right? So it kept me going because from May, June, and July, I did literally all my Patreon videos for May, June, July, August, and September and October, you know, halfway through October. So it definitely kept me going because I needed to get it, to get her done. But once, my daughter, if you don't know, she had a brain surgery, and it was a big thing. And she's still recovering. She is back at work since January 2nd, which she's, modified duties and all this stuff, but at least she's moving. And the doctor told her, she's still in pain some days. And he said, but if you want to learn to um, deal with your pain, you need to get back to normal. Or, normal stuff that you would normally do, like going back to work so that she can learn to, manage the pain. And I hope that someday um, she'll have less pain than she used to have, which I think it's already there. But now adding work to it, the pain is coming back because she's more active. But anyway, we'll talk more about that when I'm doing my reorganizing. And also, don't forget to go and click on my link for my new channel, Nicole Jones 911 Colors, and it where all things are all about coloring. But that's it. That is going to complete this page. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I'm so happy to be back, and Happy New Year, everybody. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.